man.
This G got rid of it. That was a good one, dude.
It's okay, Mike.
Just camera, it's not like it's human.
Look at that shit.
Oh, fuck, my bad. That one's not coming off, eh?
I don't know.
So weird.
Loosey goosey. Loosey goosey.
Oh, so bad. Alright, let's do that one more time.